Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best socket holders on Amazon. A socket organizer is an essential part of a tool collection because it works to your advantage when keeping track of tools and keeping any project moving along. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Aries 1/4 inch SAE Magnetic Socket Organizer. We will say right up front that this is probably the best looking option on the market. And while being pretty isn't always a primary concern of tools, it is essential for storage solutions. That said, looks aren't all this system has to offer. For one, the bottom of the holder features a protective rubber padding that protects finished surfaces. This feature prevents excessive wear on the paint of your toolbox or anywhere else you might keep your sockets. The base is also magnetic, making it possible for you to hang this holder on the side of your tool chest. Number 2. Olsa Tools Portable Socket Organizer Tray. This is an excellent option for folks who carry a wide range of sockets for extensive or complicated projects. This tray has provisions for holding up to 80 sockets in a 1/2 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/4 inch drive. There are 4 rows, 3 of which are dedicated to drive sizes, with a row featuring a mix of a 1/2 inch and 3/8 inch drive sizes for miscellaneous sockets. Each locking clip is constructed of high-strength ABS to promote durability and features a ball bearing that creates a tight fit for each socket. The socket clips also slide, making this holder capable of storing a collection of any sockets you are working with. Number 3. Olsa Tools 6-piece Socket Organizer Trays. There are a few things that make this socket holder worthy of consideration, including its high-vis colors with crisp, clear labels for each size. The set includes a total of 6 trays with 3 rows each for 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and a 1/2 inch sockets. Half of the trays have callouts for SAE sizes and the other for metric. And because each tray has a total of 3 rows, this setup is useful for extensive tool collections featuring deep well and standard depth sockets. One should note that if they don't need 3 rows, there is a variant available that only features 2 rows on each tray. Furthermore, this particular set is in the black and red color configuration, but black and green is also an option. There are 2 issues that come up with this entry. 1. It's not as sturdy as it should be considering the price. 2. It's a little too tall for many toolboxes. However, these issues don't seem to be a hang-up for most users. Number 4. Haruzdi 80-piece Heavy-Duty Socket Organizer. Unless you're an expert or have the time to do research ahead of time, there's no way to anticipate what sockets you'll need ahead of time. Especially if you're taking on a long or complicated project, therefore, you might need to take your entire collection along. If you see yourself doing that frequently, the 80 socket clips on this holder will serve you well. It is a more affordable option than many others. Because it has provisions for all 3 standard drive sizes, this system will serve home mechanics and professionals well. That said, the socket clips are plastic, but the metal backing works to provide an acceptable lifetime considering the price. If you're biased to labels for socket sizes, this isn't the system for you. It's hard to call this a flaw of the design because that's usually an add-on, but when you're dealing with 80 sockets, it can be a significant pain trying to identify which is which on the fly. Number 5. Haruzdi 3-piece Double-Sided Socket Organizer. What makes this option unique is that it features a double-ended rail system. That said, you can use one end to store deep well sockets and the other for standard depth sockets. Or you can use the rail to store an extensive range of either. With that in mind, this is a pack of 3, and you will receive a rail with a 1/2 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/4 inch socket clips. It doesn't feature any labeling to indicate the drive size of each rail, but the vibrant colors make for color coding in its place. As for retention, the socket clips rely on a spring-loaded ball bearing that creates a positive lock with the detents in your sockets. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.